In this video, we are exploring the scenic Route 132, the longest highway in Quebec, and we are starting just east of Quebec City and going as far as Gaspé.
Morning, just waiting for our coffee, and we have tried to shower this morning. Forgot to turn on the hot water, so it was a cold one, but there's magnets along the bottom of the shower, so I just opened up the doors and we're just letting the shower stall dry out a little bit, and it works really great. I was quite pleased with it. Last night in Montgamy in a campground. This is our first RV campground that we've stayed in, and it had what they called three-way services. So three-way services mean you get sewer, water, as well as electric. It's really flat where we parked last night, so we didn't have to worry about leveling. We've got a really nice patio section here just outside the van, so really comfortable.
Sitting on that patio last night, we watched a fantastic electric storm to the south. Evidence of the seigneurial system dating back to the 1600s is still visible, as evidenced by low rock walls or drainage ditches that separate the lots. The land was divided into long strips that would end at the St. Lawrence River, and then these strips of land were assigned to tenants to work. Stopped at the Maritime Museum in Blister, and it is really interesting. And we have a couple of ships we can go in and see.
Made a pit stop at Saint Simon Bagels, Montreal style bagels on the side of the road here in Saint Simon. Anyways, looking forward to having these for breakfast tomorrow. Well, we've made it to the National Park Quebec along Route 132, and it is quite foggy, as you can see over my back there. There's seals back there, we just can't see them yet. We're hoping to get to see them in the morning, or maybe halfway up the coast from where we want to be for tomorrow night. And had a great day exploring along the coast and enjoying the drive.
And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space.
Morning. So we've packed up at our campsite and we've driven up kind of a day use area. And there's a bay where there's supposed to be seals this morning because the tide's high. So in high tide, apparently they come and hang out here a little bit. So we are going over to investigate.
World of thunder, fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so completely gone, but now I'm
We didn't see any at the last beach, so we are... Yes, I see them. So we have come to another beach, just around the point, and there are some out in the water, which you'll be able to see here, but Derek has some binoculars so we can pick out some. So there are some on the rocks just behind me.
You're everything that matters to me, makes me wonder why I can't get over. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
The St. Lawrence River continues to broaden as we travel east and eventually becomes the Gulf of St. Lawrence, which is the largest estuary in the world. The tidal influence is felt as far west along the river as Trois-Rivières, which is located between Montreal and Quebec City.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something.
So we found this neat little art installation here on the beach. It's a letter carved out of quarter stone. Behind me there's a bit of a little rafts. And further over that direction you'll see there's a bunch of people line up walking out.
Guns. Would you follow me?